Good morning, children. This is Aravind, social science teacher. How are you? I thought all are fine and enjoying our online classes. Dear students, in previous class we have discussed about the meaning and importance of soil, types of soil, then the alluvial soil. In this class, we are going to discuss another few soils in India. First one, black soil. Black soil is formed by the basalt rock. It is in a dark grey to black color. It is known as a rigor and black cotton soil. It is best suited for the cultivation of cotton. That's why it is called rigor or black cotton soil. Then it is, as it has high clay it has a high clay content, and it is extremely compact. These two features helps to retain water or retention of moisture or holds water. Then it is the soil, it's best for cotton, sugarcane, jar, maize and pulses, wheat and chilies. These are the crops grown in the black soil. Black soil largely found in the Deccan, means in the southern India or South India, especially in the states Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, parts of Telangana, northern part of Karnataka, parts of Gujarat and Tamil Nadu. The total area of black soil is 5.4 lakh square kilometers. See, the red soil, another one important soil. It is famous in South India. Okay, yes, especially in the districts like Tumkur, Chikbalapur, Kolar. See, they are formed from the weathering of granite, gneiss and other crystalline rocks. Weathering is the process wearing away or breaking down or gradual disintegration of rocks by the agents of temperature, rainfall, etc. It is called weathering. Makle, see, gneiss and other crystalline rocks. These are the metamorphic rocks. Okay. Yes, by these rocks, the red soil is formed. The color of this soil is generally red or reddish brown. They are more sandy and less clay. Yes, it has more sandy ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಮರಳು ಮಿಶ್ರಿತ ಮಣ್ಣು. ದೆನ್ ಇಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಲೆಸ್ ಕ್ಲೇ. ಜಡಿ ಮಣ್ಣು ಬಹಳ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ. ಸೊ ದೇ ಡು ನಾಟ್ ರಿಟೈನ್ ಮಾಯಿಶ್ಚರ್. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಹೋಲ್ಡ್ಸ್ ದ ವಾಟರ್ for long period. They cover a vast area, means the large area of 5.2 lakh square kilometers. These soils are spread extensively in Tamil Nadu. They are also found in southern Karnataka, parts of Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, Odisha, Kerala, Goa, Bihar, Uttar Pradesh, Assam, Manipur, Nagaland, West Bengal, etc. are the states had the red soil. Red soils are ideal for the cultivation of ragi, millets, groundnuts, tobacco and potato. Are the crops grown in this soil. See, yes, it is suitable where the irrigation facilities are available. The red soil is suitable for where the irrigation facilities are available. Next, laterite soil. It is found especially in the Ghats, in the Western Ghats, Eastern Ghats, and Chota Nagpur Plateau, Meghalaya Plateau, and Rajamahal Hills, Vindhya and Satpura Mountains. The total area of laterite soil is 2.48 lakh square kilometers. Yes, it is formed in tropical areas, means where there is high temperature and rainfall. Yes, then the crops like cashew, rubber, tea, coffee and paddy can be grown in these soils. Then desert soil also one of the important soil. It's found in the deserts around the oases. See, it is one of the soil. It's found in northwestern part of India, such as Rajasthan, southern Haryana, Punjab and northern part of Gujarat. Yes, they are fairly friable, have a high content of soluble salt. ಓಕೆ, ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇದು ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಸಾಲ್ಟ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಈ ಮಣ್ಣಲ್ಲಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಎಸ್, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಸಾಯಿಲ್. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಸೂಟೇಬಲ್ ಫಾರ್ ಡ್ರೈ ಫ್ರೂಟ್ಸ್. ಸಿ, they are sandy and low in moisture and humus. Yes, it has less humus and moisture. They are not suitable for the cultivation of many crops. Some crops can be grown in where irrigation facilities are available. Yes, it's occupy about 1.4 lakh 42 lakh square kilometers. It's the total area of the desert soil. It's found around the oasis in the desert. ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ oasis ಸುತ್ತರ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಇದು ಯಾವುದೇ ಕ್ರಾಪ್ಸ್ ಬೆಳೆಯೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಸೂಟಬಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲ. ವೇರ್ ದ ಇರಿಗೇಷನ್ ಫೆಸಿಲಿಟೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ಅವೈಲೇಬಲ್ ಇನ್ ದಟ್ ಏರಿಯಾಸ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಸೂಟಬಲ್ ಫಾರ್ ಟು ಗ್ರೋ ದ ಕ್ರಾಪ್ಸ್. Soil erosion. See, soil erosion is nothing but it's the removal of topsoil by natural agents such as rivers, glaciers, winds, sea waves, etc. Glaciers means what? Glaciers are nothing but it's the process of mine mass of ice float into the ocean. See, removal of the top layer of fertile soil and deflate the fertility of the soil. Soil erosion is one of the important problems in India. Yes, it's one of the important problems in India, especially in the Western Ghats and also in the hilly areas. See, causes of soil erosion. The first one, deforestation, overgrazing, shifting cultivation, faulty methods of cultivation, use of topsoil for making bricks, tiles, etc. These are the causes for soil erosion. Effects of soil erosion: loss of soil fertility and fall in agricultural productivity. Means it leads to loss of agricultural production. It leads to silting and floods, change of the course of rivers, and reduction of capacity of the reservoirs. Yes, and also it leads to floods in the areas which are located on the bank of rivers. See, groundwater level is lower and there is decrease in soil moisture, and also it leads to decrease in soil moisture. Vegetation covers dries up and drought increase. Okay, nodi, vegetation dries up and drought increases, and also it leads to droughts ಅಂದರೆ ಬರಗಾಲಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ರವಾಹಕ್ಕೆ ಕಾರಣ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. its effect into a whole economy. See, economy as a whole suffers a great setback. It leads to economy a major setback. These are the effects of soil erosion. How to conserve the soil erosion? Okay, how to protect the soil? How to avoid the soil erosion? See, the first one, afforestation and reforestation, controlled overgrazing, contour farming, construction of check dams, contour bunding, gully control and bench terracing. These are the measures we have taken to control the soil erosion. Okay, in this way we should protect the soil erosion, and also we should protect the fertility of the soil. See, yes, in 5-year plans much importance given for this aspect. In the first 5-year plan, the central government given much importance to avoid soil erosions or to protect soil erosion. ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ, ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಇದೆ. ನಿಮಗೆ ನಾನು ಹೋಮ್ವರ್ಕ್ನ ವಾಟ್ಸಪ್ಪಲ್ಲಿ ಸೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ಸಲ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ನ ಓದಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.